Hi friends and families, today we're gonna make a vento. Here's the vento bottle. Here's some water in a tub. And here's the 2 cups, one for my mom and one for me. And here's a spoon to mix, just in case. Okay, so first let's add water. Let's see how much we put in. It was close to 400 grams or something. Never mind, how about the weight? Let's put the water in. Let's put it in my cup. The yellow cup. Okay. When we put that, you can see it color change. Let me see. Put some more in mine. Oh, put some more in yours. That's much better. Put some more in mine. So yummy. Maybe we could dump this later. Okay, now it's time to see its color change. Let's open the bottle. Put the lid over there. Now let's see. Since we started with me first, let's start with my mom. Ready to see a color change? 3, 2, 1. Give me the juice so I can see the juice. Oh, look. I'm putting it gently. Did you see a color change? Press the thumbs up if you did. Ooh. We sure need to mix that one so it doesn't have watery taste. That's my turn. Ooh. It changed color. It's cool. Got that liquid. In my dark. Oh, put you some more. I can see some water. Don't want water, don't we? You want a watery taste? I hope we put enough water. Oh my gosh. Vento. What's actually vento? Well, that's what it says. Vento. Close it, put in the side. Now, time to mix. Let's mix this one. Looks like jelly. If we mix, it's not gonna have water taste. You can see my facing. Hi! It's me! Double shots means. Ooh! Wait, you wanna see again? Can you see me in the spoon? Let's play a game a little. Touch the Jasmine. I'm Jasmine. Oh, touch the Jasmine. I'm over here. Peekaboo. Let's mix this now. Don't you think it looks like jelly? New mix. Smells good. We're using the same spoon because it's a same tool. There we go. Let me see. I'm gonna try mine. Look at my mom's, it's so dark. Mine is a little light. I don't know. Maybe the bottom has some powder. Ooh, look at that powder. Can you see? You can't see actually powder, but look at my mom's. Ooh, it's turned dark. I hope it's not watery taste for you. I'm gonna try both to see which one's watery. Don't drip, don't drip. Okay, mix like a jelly. Guys, come on, let's jiggle like a jelly. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Let's have some party while we can jiggle while we wait until this jiggles because it's kind of boring. Jiggle, 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 jiggle with me. Okay, now I think it's ready. Let's try. Look at that bubble. Good. Let's try my mom's to see if it's watery because you can see that water. That tastes so good. I feel like putting sugar. Salt in mine. Let's get some salt. I don't know why I didn't add salt in the picture. Salt! Salt, baby! What? So funny. Salt. Salt is yummy. No, too sour. It's too peppery. There was some pepper in. Big. And the Rex gets that race. I can't see anything. Oh, take some more. No, put it down. Okay. I hope it tastes good. By the way, it was just a little. More like this much. Anyway, mix it to make it salty. It's gonna turn to dun water. Do you know water? It's salty water. So it's gonna be salty juice from the water in the sea. Poor animals. They don't have any juice to eat. Just kidding. Goody, 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 goody. That was yummy. Here, let me get you to try both. Here is the salty one. Wait, let me get a little bit. There you go. Try some. Yummy? Okay. Let's try my mom's one. Yummy? Some my mom. Take some, put my. Take some, put it. Now I'm gonna try mine again. Oh, okay, by the way. Put everything here. Good. We can put this water dumping down. Bye, friends and family. I hope you have a wonderful day drinking my special juice and having the best day in the world. Okay, and bye, friends and family. See you again next time with my ordinary kitchen. Bye. Guys, I thought I said bye, but it didn't. What a trick. By the way, here, I'm going to sing a song while I drink. This is how you drink. But I drink like this. This is a cafe girl. Oh, we gotta. I didn't actually say this person will be coming, but we got somebody. Let me come.